Swift Paws. Here's another device for animals that lack activity, Swift Paws. Its installation takes only a few minutes. Adjustable size allows you to install the device even in small areas. It consists of flags on strong threads and a pulling device. The maximum total length of the thread can reach 61 meters. Swift Paws gives the owner an opportunity to relax and watch the dog chasing the flags, spending extra energy. Swift Paws fits any dog, and the speed of the flag is adjustable and can reach 30 miles per hour. It's powered by a rechargeable battery and can be controlled remotely. And you can order it for $250. Poopy Cat Pets Place. Cats love boxes and climbing, so Poopy Cat Pets Place combines both. You can build the cat a house yourself using the details, therefore you choose the shape and location of the tunnels by yourself. This is definitely an advantage, because the tunnels can be assembled so that they fit even in a limited space. There is enough space for several cats to climb at the same time. It stimulates the physical and brain activity of the animal. The material is light, but after assembly, the structure is strong and easily holds the weight of an adult animal. The manufacturer offers many variations. For example, the Landmark series looks like famous places from different countries. Pet Safe Drinkwell. Another device that supplies pets with fresh, aerated water is the Drinkwell Pet Fountains. It's offered in 3 different sizes, suitable for both cats and dogs. The cost of the device depends on the model and varies from $35 to $75. The drinking bowl doesn't take up much space, it's easy to install, and the animals get used to it quickly. Pet Cube Bites and Pet Cube Play. On the screen you can see devices that allow the user to communicate with the pet, even when he or she is far from home. Devices transfer a live HD picture from the house to the mobile application in the smartphone. At any time you can see what your pets are up to, and even talk to them. The device has a built-in speaker. In addition, they show the image at a wide angle, equipped with a zoom and a night vision device. Pet Cube Bites, among other things, has a dispenser for giving treats. And in Pet Cube Play there is a laser for the game, whose movements can be controlled by the owner via application. It's noteworthy that the device keeps a record of what's happening, which means that even if the owner has been busy all day, they'll be able to see what happened during the day at home. The cost of Pet Cube Bites is $250 and the Pet Cube Play is $200. Pet Elm Grooming Dryer. This is an animal care device that combines the functions of a grooming brush and a hairdryer. It saves time, energy, and makes cosmetic procedures more enjoyable for the animal. After bathing with Pet Elm, the pet caring process takes 30% less time than when you use a brush and a hairdryer separately. The manufacturer offers 2 interchangeable brushes. The first one removes excess wool, and the second one is for a massage. Unlike a human hairdryer, this one doesn't cause any discomfort, since the air temperature is regulated in a range comfortable for the animal, from 37 to 60 degrees. In addition, the user doesn't have to carry anything heavy now. The device weighs only 420 grams. You can buy this device for about $55. Findster Duo. There are a lot of special devices designed for the dogs not to get lost when walking. One of them is the Findster Duo. This compact device hung on a pet collar allows you to track its location in real time. The special mobile application to which the Finds the Duo connects shows how far away the dog is and which way to go in order to find it. In addition, it's able to record the path traveled during the walk and even notify the owner if the dog has left the park. One application will help monitor several dogs. You can connect to the device even if the dog is very far away. It's noteworthy that the pet tracker shows the speed of movement of the dog and also reminds you if you forgot to walk your pet. The cost of this device is $150. Ticker. This is a device designed to keep your pet moving. This is a hollow toy where you can put its favorite treats in. The dog can get them only if the toy is in the correct position. Because of this special design, it occupies the dog for a long time until the last piece of food falls out. To prevent damage to the dog's teeth during the game, the toy is made from rubber, and it costs $40. Poof 24/7 Pet Activity Tracker. This device will help you to be aware of the activity of your pet. It's a token hung on a dog's collar. It's able to transmit a signal to the user's smartphone. With the help of a mobile application, it monitors minutes of activity, hours of sleep, calories burnt and consumed. The weight of the compact tracker is only 7 grams, so the animal doesn't even notice it and doesn't feel any discomfort. It's noteworthy that the device is resistant to water and also doesn't discharge the battery so fast, so it can be charged less often. With the help of the activity tracker, the owner can easily maintain the health of the dog or cat, preventing excess weight gain. Its cost is from $40 to $50. Pura, a smart fountain. Cats are very careful about what and where they drink, and therefore they suffer from dehydration quite often. The smart Pura fountain is designed to solve this problem. A special form of the drinker allows the cat to drink with convenience without the risk of getting their whiskers wet. It's equipped with a carbon filter which cleans the water and keeps it fresh. A special built-in sensor responds to the breathing of the animal and turns on its lights. It's suitable for owners of several cats. It connects to the mobile application and allows you to control the weight of each cat, its changes, and the amount of water consumed. Its advantage is simple use and control. The process of changing water and cleaning only takes a couple of minutes. The cost of the device is $129. Aridus Den. Every day, cats and dogs spend their time waiting for their masters for about 8 or 9 hours. The manufacturers of Aridus Den have made sure that the animal is comfortable in these moments. This is an innovative couch that's not only convenient for the animal, but can also become a home decoration. The integrated temperature sensor allows you to heat and cool the soft fabric, always maintaining a comfortable temperature. The sensor is automated, so that the pet accidentally doesn't switch it to some other mode with its paw. The animals have very sensitive hearing, so the manufacturer took care to make the bedding absolutely noiseless. The height of the house is 50 centimeters, so it's suitable for a small dog, a cat, a ferret, or even a rabbit.